Everyone, and good morning. Myself and my little helper are here today to show you our latest Aliexpress haul. As you can see, he's already pointing to his favourites, and I wonder why that is, Charlie. Is there a rabbit in there? There you can see the rabbit. We have lots of goodies today, so let me get started. Excuse me, and I can show you exactly what arrived in the post. So we have this cute rabbit stamp. Some of these I've put the prices on, some I haven't looked up, but all of the items will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and buy them. So this is the first one, and it's a really cute little wooden stamp there. Just very adorable. It's about 1.5 inches long by about 1 inch, and he's really cute. So that's the first thing. And then I also have this little coffee mark. It's 1 inch by 1 inch, I think, about that. Haven't got a price on that one either. I haven't been doing my work today, have I, Charles? No, we've been very naughty today. Yes, we have. Right, okay, now this one I am really excited to show you. In this next project, there are a couple of items. So we've got these bag topper, which is this die here. Just very cute. £2.32. But look, I've just used a regular card bag packet that you can buy, you know, for a couple of pounds for like 50. And it has actually split, but that's my fault because I've put something in too big that doesn't fit in it. But I've just used a regular card bag, and then the topper, it does, it cuts out, and then you fold it in half and just fold it over your bag. Just super cute. Look at that. How adorable are they? Love them. And I do have one of these. I ordered 2 because you know what that means when I order 2, that one of them gets given away for a giveaway. So I had to stop you, so I hope this all films okay. So right, okay, where were we? Huge lovely topper, and like I said, I have ordered 2, had ordered 2, so there is one here for a giveaway. So one of you lucky people out there will win one of these heart toppers. There are also these small ones for smaller bag treat bags, and they're £1.39 for this one, and it's just the same concept. It would just go over a smaller bag. So those are the bag toppers. Now this Happy Mail die here, here it is. Now this was £1.88, and you get the the shadow, and then you get the letters as well. I've done it in this yellow and red just so that it pops out for you so you can see, and it's very big. Really lovely die there, and look how cute these are. So you can make little treats for Happy Mail, and so cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I mean, how quick and easy is that to make? You know, it's nice when you give a gift away anyway, but to put it in a nice little baggie and do a lovely topper and put a Happy Mail on it, I just love it. So £1.88 for that. Charles is up to his tricks again. Then we have these sort of like label decorative shaped. These are £1.66, and they have 3 different sizes like that. So these are very much fun, and you know, I've just literally distressed that. And the stamp set are these 2 stamp sets here, and these are delicious stamp sets. Look at these. We have, okay, so we've got goodies inside. That says Happy Mail, and says to cheer you up, because I care, because you're worth it, because you're loved, for you, my great friend, handmade with love. And then Happy Mail and Happy Mail. This one was £1.95. So that is a really fun stamp set. And then this one, which I have used on here, we have For an Amazing Crafter. And then the beauty of handmade lies in the imperfections. Anything perfect is machine made. So you've got those there and there, and then you've got like a little present, make, handmade, give handmade, buy handmade, live handmade. I love sending you happy mail, open with care, surprise, and these lovely hearts. And I think that was the same price as that, or it would be very much the same. Okay, so we've got those two stamp sets there, and these lovely decorative labels, £1.66. So it's not expensive to, you know, to get these goodies. I have to quickly say, I know this is the middle of the video, but anyone who uses any of my links for any of my AliExpress links, let me know, because I am running an AliExpress giveaway, which is, I think it's about 15 items giveaway, and all you've got to do to take part in that giveaway is to put an order in through one of my links, and then send me the last 4 digits of your order ID and how many items. You get 1 entry per item that you buy, so it could be a 50p item, could be a £5 item, but every item you get an entry into my giveaway. Go back on the last couple of videos and you will see the huge AliExpress giveaway that I am doing. So under any of my AliExpress videos you will see links to buy products, but you have to let me know, because I don't see your name, I can't see your address. All I can see is an ID, order ID, so I don't know who you are. So you have to message me to tell me you want to take part in my giveaway. Okay, now if I forget to say this in other videos, you now know. Right, okay, we have this box die. This is £3.17. It makes a very cute little box. I haven't made one up because I didn't get around to it. And then I have these, the stamp set and dies. The stamp set is £1.09, and then you have the coordinating dies, which are £2.45. So you've got these lovely birds, this twig, this pattern, and these sentiments here. So it does cut out the birds and the twig, and yeah, so that is the stamp set and dies. And what are you doing, Mister? Right, so those are my, they're on my AliExpress goodies for today. Love this. I will be making so many. I need to get some taller bags though, so I can fit my stuffed pockets, because I've only got these ones. I need some taller bags, and then I can do my stuffed pockets in these. These are just adorable. Love them. And you know what? This took me 2 minutes. Absolutely took me 2 minutes. Got a packet. Did it. Done. There you go. Right, I'm going to leave you there. I will be back later with more AliExpress goodies and more crafting. And Charlie's being good, because I actually made space for him over here when my sewing machine was actually over. I've made a little bit more room because he's actually getting very big and he's taking up more room than he did. So you're filling out a bit, aren't you, Charles? There's he is. There's he is. As a good boy. Oh, bless him. And he's molting everywhere. Right, are we going to go get some breakfast? Yes, we are. Okay, lovelies. I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.